LinkedIn is bringing more AI to the job search process. Every internet platform and social network seems to be hyping up new AI features, so it's probably no surprise that LinkedIn is doing that too. Of course, one of the most useful things LinkedIn can do is help you find a job. Now it's going to do that in a more conversational way without you having to click through a bunch of different filters. For example, I could type in, find me a tech journalism job in New York that pays more than $1 million. You can also ask LinkedIn's AI to review your resume and even to write you a cover letter or a letter of introduction. LinkedIn is also adding AI career coaches that have been trained on the work of notable instructors on the platform. For example, I'm really terrible at negotiating, so if I was a LinkedIn Premium member, I could chat with a career coach about how to do better. The last big change is search. I can't say exactly what's changing because this is more like a vague pre-announcement, with LinkedIn saying it's going to share more about the new search experience in the coming weeks, but the idea, again, is to make search more conversational. To be clear, this isn't LinkedIn's first move into AI. In fact, the company's head of product told TechCrunch that LinkedIn has been building with AI since 2007. But it probably has access to way more powerful tools because its parent company Microsoft is a major investor in OpenAI. Plus, this news is just another sign of how AI is working its way into the job search process. In fact, you remember how I mentioned searching for a job using conversational language? That's actually the flip side of something LinkedIn already announced for recruiters, allowing them to search for candidates in the same way. So with the hiring side getting automated, maybe it's just natural for the job search to follow suit. Ideally, this would mean humans can spend less time on the many tedious parts of the job search process. The risk, though, is that the whole thing can start to feel kind of futile. Once you've got AI recruiters reading AI cover letters, you're starting to venture into who needs humans anyway territory. And leaving aside those big existential questions, I also suspect that when you have an AI-driven hiring process, people whose resumes aren't a perfect fit for the job, but might be a good fit in other ways, are way less likely to be seriously considered. In the past, I would have said that if you use AI to write your cover letter, make sure you check their work, because a cover letter is meant to be more than a summary of your resume. It's supposed to communicate who you are and what you bring to the table. But in the future, who knows? Maybe if an AI is reading your cover letter, all that touchy-feely stuff is going to get thrown out the window anyway. I'll see you Monday.